How to fix TikTok live comments not showing 2025. So the first thing you can go ahead and do is go ahead to the top right corner of your profile and then go to settings and privacy. We're gonna go ahead and clear your cache first because it might just be full of storage where it's glitching out, making your TikTok not work properly. So free up some space first, clear your cache. But once you've done so, you can go ahead back to that live and try if the problem has been fixed. If it hasn't, you can go ahead and do this process over here where you report a problem so that you know what you're going to have to do. So in the report a problem section, go ahead to the live and the viewing live section. So your problem over here, you can't send or see live comments. So go ahead and press on that one and you'll be shown a process on how you could possibly fix this. So first thing is to make sure you aren't muted by the host or the live moderator, or you are not banned from sending comments in live due to the violation. So make sure you haven't violated anything. So if that is, you can go ahead and tap on the need more help section directly down here. You can chat with them. But once you've done that process and still don't have it fixed, you can go ahead and press on the no button when you are asked if the problem is fixed. So that way you can go ahead and get the option to get more help, or you can go ahead the 1 and 2 process over here. So just go ahead and put in your username and then the exact comment that you think is missing or you can see. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you. If it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.